Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share the only ways to pass Nclexrn. Knowing the strength of beast. It is a computer adaptive test. Moreover, it's like a game. The most correct answer, you're gonna get harder questions, and for wrong answers, you're gonna get easier questions. Due to COVID-19, they have changed the maximum number of questions from 265 to 130 and a minimum of 75 to 60 questions, and the duration of test from 6 hours to 4 hours. All you want to be is stay in the game, and it's like we must be about the so-called passing line. Knowing the type of question on the examination. Knowing the type of question on the examination so that your mind will be ready for answering and what right action we must take on that question. For example, graphic item option question, they will provide options in the form of pictures rather than text. So we must choose the right picture for the respective question. The strategies for answering Nclex. There are strategic words to focus like first, immediate, early, highest priority, most appropriate, and so on. Avoid words like why, don't worry, everything will be fine, and so on. These are the strategies we use to prioritize the answer, which includes step, the nursing process, Maslow's hierarchy theory, ABC, airway, breathing, and circulation. Try to reread the question and figure out the stem of the question and distractions, which leads to the right answer. Remember, forget all your past experience. There all you need is a fresh knowledge regarding the content. Stop focusing a lot of resources and stick to your study plan. It's really worth to invest in resources where you can rely on. I suggest 2 resources that help me: Sounders, Comprehensive Review, and New World QBank. Set a study routine for Nclex, which days and how many hours you are going to study. Use Pomodoro technique for study. Over millions of people have already used this technique to be more productive and successful. Spend 25 minutes and take 5 minutes break. Once you finish 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break. By this method, you can bring yourself into a quality and quantity study. Last but not least, practice daily 50 to 70 questions. You can practice questions from specific subjects or from all the subjects. I personally suggest choose questions from all because we cannot predict from where they are going to ask. Review the content, rationalize lab values, try to focus on the weaker section than stronger. Trust your gut feeling. Remember, stay focused, practice daily, and believe in yourself. I hope you all like this video. For more Nclexrn content, subscribe my channel and stay tuned.